A look at what's happening away from Kenya's borders, and the U.S. biotech firm Novavax says its two-shot COVID-19 vaccine has shown an overall efficacy of 89.3% in a major phase 3 clinical trial in Britain and remained highly effective against a variant first identified there. But the positive news was partially offset by other results that showed it offered less significant protection against a highly transmissible variant of the coronavirus first identified in South Africa and which is spreading rapidly around the world.
Novavax said it began working on new vaccines against emerging strains in early January and expects to select ideal candidates in the coming days, then begin clinical testing in the second quarter of the year. The vaccine was one of 6 candidates backed by a U.S. government project formerly known as Operations Warp Speed. Unlike the Pfizer, Moderna, and AstraZeneca vaccines, which deliver the genetic instructions that make human cells create a key protein of the virus, the Novavax shot injects the proteins directly into the body to evoke an immune response. The British trial involved 15,000 people aged 18 to 84, including 27% who were over the age of 65. The company's preliminary analysis indicated the variant first identified in Britain, known as B.1.1.7, was detected in more than 50% of the confirmed cases. Efficacy by strain was calculated at 95.6% against the original COVID strain and 85.6% against the new British variant. But the level of protection was lower in a smaller, mid-stage trial conducted in South Africa. The studies are the first to assess the COVID-19 vaccine's performance against both the UK and South Africa variants in the real world. Pfizer and Moderna have previously said their vaccines remain effective against the variants, but their studies were based on lab research. Novavax's announcement puts pressure on another vaccine maker, Johnson & Johnson, which is expected to announce its phase 3 trial results next week. The J&J company announced that its single-shot COVID-19 vaccine has an overall efficacy of 66%. This follows a multi-continental trial of the vaccine. However, the shot does not protect well against the South African variant. Encouragingly, the vaccine was able to prevent 85% of severe COVID-19 cases across all geographical regions, however, a key indicator lauded by experts.